Chapter 3 Sound of Vowel A. Hello, little learners. Welcome back to our fun English class. Today, we're going to learn the sound of the vowel A, the short A sound. Let's look at some words that use the short A sound. And words: man, van, fan, pan. Excellent. Up words: gap, map, cap, tap. Wonderful. All words: hall, mall, ball, wall. Great. At words: rat, hat, cat, bat. Awesome. Read and say aloud: ban, can, fan, man, pan, ran, van. Bag, fag, lag, nag, rag, tag, sag. Bar, car, far, jar, mar, tar, war. Bad, dad, had, lad, mad, pad, sad. Great job, kids.